Hi everyone, today we're learning about decimals. We are learning that a decimal can be represented as a number, a word and a picture. And our wills today are, I can write a decimal as a word, I can draw a picture of a decimal, I can write the decimals as a symbol. And today we're going to be playing a decimat game. Here's a decimat. This is what a decimat looks like. And you can see the arrow is pointing to the tenths. So imagine this decimat was a big chocolate bar and we had divided it into 10 parts. So that's tenths. So each one of these sections is a tenth. So if we roll a tenth in our game, we can colour one of these boxes because they're tenths. This 1/10 here has been divided again into 10 parts. And each small part in here is 100th, is 100th. If we divided each tenth into 10, then we would get 100 on the board. So that's why it's called hundredths. Okay, so this is the board that we're going to be playing with our game today. All right, here is my board game. We need 2 dice for this game. We need 1 dice with the numbers on it, and we need the other dice that has hundredths and tenths on it because we're going to roll hundredths or tenths today to colour in on our decimat. So number 1 in the first example, I rolled a 3 and I rolled tenths, 1/10. So the fraction is 3/10 because I rolled a 3 and the tenths. So it's 3/10. And you can see here we've written 3/10. And the decimal, the way we write it as a decimal, this is 3/10 written as a decimal. So far our score is 3/10. And up here you'll see the 3/10 shaded 1, 2, 3/10. That was shaded on the game board. So this game, the way we play it is that the first person to shade the whole board is the winner. And you can play with a friend if you'd like to, or you can play by yourself. Then I roll a 6 and hundredths, 100ths. So the fraction is 600ths. And this is how we write the decimal of 600ths. That's how we write it as a decimal. So here you'll see that the second roll is 600ths. And this is how we write 600ths as a decimal. And now what we need to do is we need to have a total. So our first roll was 3/10. 3/10 plus 600ths is here. 3/10 and 600ths. All right, our third roll. So the next roll, we roll a 6 and we roll the 100ths. So the fraction is 600ths, like the last roll, and the decimal is here. This is how we write 600ths as a decimal. So we rolled the same as we rolled the second roll, didn't we? And we need to add 600ths onto our previous score. So our score, our total was here, 3/10 and 600ths or 3600ths. And now we add another 600ths to the total. So we need to add it over here. And it becomes 4/10 and 200ths. So the decimal is now 4/10 and 200ths. And you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600ths that were shaded here. And up here, the third row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600ths were shaded up here. All right. Here are your instructions for today. Watch this video. Number 2, take out the decimat game. Number 3, roll the dice and colour that part of the decimat. Write the fraction and the decimal you shaded. So you need to shade that part on the decimat. Write how much has been shaded all together. So you need to add the amounts together so that you have a running total. And then you continue playing until you've shaded the whole decimat. Please see your teacher if you have any questions. Have fun playing the game, and I hope that you win and you shade the whole decimat. Good luck everyone and have fun.